So if you currently have have documents loaded to your assignments that are Microsoft Word documents, there is something wrong with the extension that allows your students to open a Word document, to actually kind of hit the download button and fully open a Word document, a Microsoft Word document on a Chromebook. What it's looking like for students is it's just going to be a blank screen. So we're going to have to give students access to these documents as a Google Doc. So I'm going to show you how to put a link in there with the document as a Google Doc, kind of as a workaround. We have contacted the district. They're working on it. They're not exactly sure what happened to that extension and why it's not working. But if you have Word documents in your assignments, you're going to need to do this. So I'm going to walk you through. This is Mr. Lux allowed me to use his as an example, and he has a Word document here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, and when I click on it, now one thing, the students are able to see the preview. That's not a big deal, but if they have to actually physically open that document, that's where the problem is coming in. And emailing it to them doesn't help because of that extension. They can't open it from an email either. It's not a Canvas thing. It's a Chromebook extension issue, we think. So when we open it, you're going to see it pop up down here in this download. So I'm going to go ahead and open that document. And so it looks something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save it. So I want to do File, Save As, and I'm going to hit Browse. And I am going to choose Google Drive File Stream. If you don't have the file stream, then just go to your Google Drive and you'll hit Upload a File. If you need help doing that, let me know and I can walk you through that part. So I have this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select my Google Drive. I'm going to put it in a place where I can find it. And then I'm going to, I need to add something else here. And I'm going to hit Save. So once I've done that, I can go ahead and close out my Word docs. And I'm going to go back to Chrome. And I need to go to my drive. And since I have just, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this because my drive was already open. And typically when you're in my drive, like this was the last document that I uploaded. It just said uploaded right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. It still is a Microsoft Word document. So we need to go ahead and save that as a, we're going to save that as a Google Doc. So I'm going to hit Save as a Google Doc. Now, there might be some other ways to do this. This is what I found worked when I was trying to help somebody be able to get around this yesterday. It started showing up yesterday on on 3 different assignments, but now it seems to be more widespread. So now I'm going to hit the word Share. And I'm going to choose There we go. I want to get rid of the Boone County schools. I'm going to change these things so that anyone with the link can get it. I'm going to choose it to editor, and I'm going to copy the link. So once I have that link copied, then I'm going to go back to my calendar and I'm going to put a link in for students so that they could get it as a Google Doc or a Word document. So down here, I'm just going to type Google version of, and I'm going to go ahead and type the title. I'm going to highlight it. And then I'm going to use the little chain link. And I will paste that link in there. Now, we need to take part of that link off and tell it that we want a copy of it. We don't want them all working on the same document. So you're going to go back until you see this, the backslash. So you're going to get rid of the edit question mark, and then keep the backslash, and then we're going to type the word copy. We're going to insert the link, and then we hit save. So now, when the students open that particular assignment, they will see that Google version, and when they click on it, then it will populate it, and then they will be able to open it. So you're going to have to do that for each one of these things that you have as a Word document until we get this extension fixed. Sorry, let me know if you need help.